Nyajong, and hello to all of you. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to shred cabbage because a lot of you were actually really curious on how I shredded my cabbage so thinly in my kopong recipe. So today I'm going to be showing you the different types of tools that I like to have in my kitchen to make this all happen. So with that, let's get started. So I have about 4 different tools that I love to use to shred cabbage, and all of these can be bought online. But before we start, the most important thing is to pick a really good cabbage. Now, when I'm picking cabbage, the one I'm looking for is the one that's the heaviest. So when you're at your grocery store, make sure you find the one that's the heaviest because the inside of the cabbage is a lot more packed. So as you can see here, the leaves are completely packed in here, and this will be a lot easier for us to shred it so that it doesn't fall apart. Let's compare it to the one that's a lot lighter in weight. The inside of this cabbage is a lot more hollow. It's not as packed, so it looks something like this. This is fine, but it will be a little bit harder for us to shred because it does have a lot of air pockets. So try to find a really heavy, compact cabbage like the one on the right here. So I did quarter the cabbage and I left the core on. Leaving the core will help keep the cabbage intact while we shred. So how I grew up shredding cabbage is with any basic peeler. So I'm using this Swiss style peeler. You can also use this crude style Asian peeler. This one works really well as well. And this one can be bought at a lot of Asian grocery stores or online as well. Or you can just use your basic peeler. Here I have a Swiss style peeler that you can easily buy online as well. It's fairly cheap. And this one works amazing. This is my go-to peeler that I use for all my vegetables. The blade is really sharp and I just love it. So all you have to do is just go around the cabbage and start shredding it apart with the peeler. As you can tell, keeping the core will help keep the cabbage intact so that when you do shred the cabbage, it doesn't fall apart easily on you. But this is what it looks like with my basic peeler. For the crude Asian style peeler here, it does pretty much the same work. This was nice because the blade is a little bit longer and bigger to use. So if you have a big cabbage, you can use this one and it works great. Other than that, this is what it looks like with pretty much any good sharp peeler. It doesn't shred the cabbage to its finest thinnest texture, but it does a really good job at shredding the cabbage to what you need it for. So the next one is probably my favorite way to shred cabbage, and it's with a Japanese mandoline. Now this Japanese mandoline can be bought online. I love it for all my vegetables because the blade is super sharp. You can also adjust the thickness of whatever you're cutting at the bottom here. So all you gotta do is twist this to adjust what kind of thickness you want it to be or what kind of thinness you want it to be. So I love this because I can actually shred the cabbage super thin. So if you're gonna be using a Japanese mandoline, make sure you're really careful with it because it is extremely sharp. So I'm going to place this right over the bowl and hold it really tight, and then take the cabbage and just run it through the blade. Again, please be careful, do not cut your fingers. But other than that, this is what it looks like. This is actually a little bit too thick for me, so what I'm going to do is actually adjust this to make it a little bit on the thinner side. So that's the beauty of the mandoline. Now I prefer the Japanese style mandoline because the blade is extremely sharp and it does a really good job at cutting the cabbage really consistently. So if a lot of you were curious how I shredded my cabbage so thin, this right here is the secret. But it should look something like this. So if you like this kind of texture, a lot more on the thinner side, try to use a Japanese mandoline. And then the last gadget I have here is a Japanese style cabbage peeler, which you can easily buy online. The blades are extremely sharp and it peels and shreds the cabbage really nice. So you can tell here the blades are quite different from other peelers and shredders. You can see it has more of a triangular blades to it so that it can create very fine, almost cotton-like shredded cabbage. And I'm just going to use this the same way I'm using a peeler. Just go around the cabbage and you'll notice that as you go around the cabbage, it creates these ridges like this from the triangular blades. So this Japanese cabbage peeler is amazing if you want really light texture shredded cabbage because it creates these ridges here, which creates a very light texture shredded cabbage, which is great for salads, for toppings, for pretty much anything. So this peeler is amazing to use to shred cabbage.
And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for those that wanted to learn how to shred cabbage a little bit easier. These gadgets are just my go-to ones that I love to use and have in my kitchen for shredded cabbage or any vegetables in general. Now, if you have a gadget that you love to use, do let me know because I'm always curious. Other than that, I will see you in my next video.